friends, welcome back to my channel and to my craft table today. Want to share with you a cute little idea, especially if you're a paper crafter. And today I'm going to make some really cute gift tags for my Christmas packages. If you've ever browsed the Dollar Tree toy area, you know that they sell these little card games for children. Old Maid, Goldfish, things like that. Well, at Christmas time, they do the same games, but they're Christmas themed. Well, I looked through several of the games, and I found that the Goldfish game was perfect to make some Christmas tags. There's 36 cards in the game, there's 4 of each design, and there's 9 designs. And so I thought I would just kind of flip through this deck and show you what cute little Christmas graphics they have to make your tags. Here is a Christmas polar bear, the Santa Claus, the adorable gingerbread girl. Now the penguin is the only one that the word is really close to the graphic, but I think you could carefully cut that and still use this penguin. Here's a penguin in a sled, Christmas tree, a little teddy bear in a stocking, and this is probably my favorite, the little reindeer tangled up in the lights, and a really cute snowman holding a box of ornaments. Now I know that you could go and buy 200 adhesive stickers for $1, but you know, there's just some of us that like to do a little extra something special on our packages, and this is certainly one way to do it for just $1 and some scrap supplies that you have. So I went in my stash and just pulled some Christmas cardstock that I had. Just about any tag I make, I use these little paper hole reinforcers. It just helps keep the tag from ripping off on the package. You can usually get these in any of the office supply area, and I'm sure Dollar Tree sells them. You can use scissors, but a paper trimmer is definitely the way to go. It just helps you make the lines a lot straighter and neater. Overall better look, because even though you think you're cutting straight, it's not. Or you could use any kind of ribbon. I've got some wired tinsel, I've got just some ribbon. You could use some jute twine. Now as far as glue, any glue will do. Even a cheap glue stick will get the job done. I don't think it's really necessary for you to see step by step on how to trim the cards up and glue them on the cardstock. So I'm basically just going to do a before and after. I'm showing you what I'm using, and I'll give you a little parade of my finished cards when I'm done.